Ulamsiza mukwano bange. Hello my dear friend, I am so glad to have you back. Nsanyusa okulaba nate. Olwo tugenda tutondera ebintu bye tusanga mu ffumbiro. Today we're going to look at things we use in the kitchen. By the way, have you subscribed yet? Just in case you haven't, pause and then subscribe. Let's start, shall we? Tutandike. Jug, jaga, jaga, jaga. Glass, giraasi, giraasi y'okunyweramu amazzi, giraasi y'okunyweramu amazzi, giraasi y'okunyweramu amazzi, amazzi which is water, a water glass. Mug, ekikopo, ekikopo, ekikopo. Bowl, bawulo, bawulo. Now this is a smaller bowl, like a cornflakes bowl or a cereal bowl. Bawulo. Plate, sowani, sowani, sowani. Cutting board or chopping board, akabaawo kwe tusalira, akabaawo kwe tusalira. Bowl. Now this is a bigger bowl. You remember the cereal bowl, which was bawulo, the smaller one. Now this is a bigger one. It can be the one we use for a salad mixture or even a cake mixture. A bigger bowl. This is bakuli. Bakuli. A bowl, a bakuli. Bowl, bakuli. Saucepan, sefulia. Sefulia, sefulia. A saucepan, a sefulia. Saucepan, sefulia. Let's continue with more items. Katweyongereyo n'ebikozesebwa ebirala. So my dear friend, are you ready? Should we start? Mukwano gwange, weetegese tutandike? Kale tutandike. Okay, let's start. Apron, akagoye ke beesiba nga bafumba, akagoye ke beesiba nga bafumba. To cook, okufumba. Cook, kufumba. Akagoye, a cloth, ke beesiba, which they tie, okwesiba, to tie. Apron, akagoye ke beesiba nga bafumba. Directly translated is a cloth which they tie when they are cooking, right? Apron, akagoye ke beesiba nga bafumba. Teaspoon, akajiiko. Teaspoon, akajiiko. Spoon, ekijiiko. There is a difference here. There is a teaspoon which is smaller than a spoon. So, teaspoon, akajiiko. Spoon, ekijiiko. Each time you will hear ka in Luganda, it will mean that that is slightly smaller, or it is small, or it is belittled. Ka, akana. And that means that child is a little bit smaller, because normally it's called umwana. But if someone says akana, that means the child is small, right? So we have teaspoon, akajiiko, and we have spoon, ekijiiko. Let's continue. Katweyongereyo. Fork, forka, forka, forka. Knife, kambe, kambe, kambe. Sauce ladle, kijiiko kyanva, kijiiko kyanva. Sauce, enva. Kijiiko is again spoon. Sauce ladle, kijiiko kyanva. So our next item is ekikyusa. ekikyusa. Here you can help me a little bit, my friend. I didn't know the word in English, so please get down in the comments below and tell me, what is that item that we use, let us say when we are cooking eggs and we have to turn them over, or we are just frying chapatis. Let me know down in the comment section, will you? Ekiddako ekikyusa. Saafunye ekigambo kya luzungu mukwano gwange. Ne wano osobola okunnyamba. Genda wansi awo mu ka comment section oŋŋambe ekintu kino bakiyita batya mu luzungu. Weebale. Thank you. Whisk. Akatabula. 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 Measuring spoon. Obujiiko obupima. Obujiiko obupima. This is normally used when you are baking a cake. Obujiiko obupima tutera bukozesa nga tukola cake. Measuring cup. Kikopo ekipima. Kikopo ekipima. Kale mukwano gwange, obadde muwuliriza mulungi. Weebale. Kansubire nti obyagadde era obiyize.